Hey there, YouTube. This is Randy here with Randog 1951. A little update on the 1984 van. Went ahead and picked up some 2-inch hardboard insulation. It's roughly 13, has a R value, heat loss resistance of 13.5. Picked up this 1/4-inch sanded plywood to lay down on top of it. And I couldn't help myself. I was going to go with vinyl, but the 60s called to me. So, Magic Carpet Ride here. I picked up this little old area rug. Brought back a lot of memories and good times, and more good times to be had. So that's it. My van seat will turn around. Furniture over there, the bed back there, kitchen here, and it's gonna be nice. Picking up the cargo trailer in a couple of days. I got a screaming deal on one. And I looked up YouTube and I found out I'm not the only guy that cuts into the door in order to get bolts out. I know a shade tree mechanic, local. He's really good. He bailed me out on my drum brakes last summer. I tore them apart and was having a hell of a time getting them back together, and he put them back together for me for $50. They work great. Same with the door. The motor it took me a day and a half to get the thing out of there, even with the help of YouTube. And I started to put it in, and I'm going, oh boy, this very aggravating. So I called up my friend, the mechanic, and he said he does them. Piece of cake, does them all the time. Yahoo, $50, worth every nickel. And that's it. So I have some more of this insulation board. I'm going to start. I've got another piece of it over here, and I'm going to cut it to fit the voids. And this was a professionally built camper trailer back in, I guess, '84. And it already has insulation in the sidewalls. It has paneling. And this diamond tufted roof and sidewalls. And as I said earlier, or if you didn't catch it, I bought it specifically to haul my firewood to heat our house. And I had no intentions of making this a livable camper van again. But slowly but surely she's coming, and I'm going to be on the road soon. There's I think it's a blues festival coming up in Winthrop, Washington next month. I'm going to head up there for the maiden voyage in Winthrop, Washington. Meet up with a buddy of mine, Rick, and Arrow and I will be hitting the road. All right, that's about it. Just an update. We'll call this day 10. There's more days than that, but I went ahead and I got I finally got my muffler on, put it together. It held tight on the freeway when I went to pick up supplies, and I called the local muffler guy, and he's going to weld her up for $20 to $30. I can't beat it. It'll be peace of mind when I'm heading down the highway. I tried to weld it, and my lack of expertise showed, and they weren't sticking. The pieces weren't sticking. So professional guys are the best. So, all right. Have a nice holiday. It's Memorial Day weekend. Take care and be safe.